ॐ यदविद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। वेदांत परिभाषा पेज नंबर 179, टीका सेकंड पैराग्राफ। ननु अशरीरस्य परमात्मनः शरीर साध्य ब्राह्मणादि कार्यं प्रति कथम हेतुत्वम्। परमात्मा who is asharira and performing brahmanadi karya which requires sharira sadhya brahmanadi karyam प्रति कथम हेतुत्वम परंपरया तत्र इन टीका इन मूलम तत्र परमेश्वरस्य पंचतन्मात्रादि उत्पत्तौ सप्तदश अवयवोपेत लिंग शरीरोत्पत्तौ च हिरण्यगर्भ स्थूल शरीर उत्पत्तौ च साक्षात्कर्तृत्वम। दिस वी सॉ। परमेश्वर परमात्मा will do उत्पत्ति of पंचतन्मात्रा and हिरण्यगर्भ। सप्तदश अवयव उपेत लिंग शरीर उत्पत्तौ च then हिरण्यगर्भ स्थूल शरीर उत्पत्तौ च स्थूल शरीर of हिरण्यगर्भ that उत्पत्ति also परमात्मा will do साक्षात। everything else इतर निखिल प्रपंच उत्पत्तौ हिरण्यगर्भादि द्वारा। तो हंत टीका सी कार्य कदम्बे कार्य कदम्ब मीन्स समूह। ऑल आर कार्य some कार्य परमात्मा will do, rest of the कार्य हिरण्यगर्भ will do। लिंग शरीरस्य द्विविधस्य यो ब्रह्माणं विदधाति पूर्वं यो वै वेदांश प्रहिणोति तस्मै श्वेताश्वतर। So Paramatma will create the Vedas, give it to Brahma, vidadati purvam। इत्यादि श्रुतिर हिरण्यगर्भस्य च साक्षात ब्रह्म कार्यत्व प्रमाणम। दि श्रुति हिरण्यगर्भस्य साक्षात ब्रह्म कार्यत्वे ब्रह्म मीन्स परमात्मा सगुण ब्रह्म will create हिरण्यगर्भ। हिरण्यगर्भस्य साक्षात ब्रह्म कार्यत्वे प्रमाणम। ब्रह्मणः कार्यम ब्रह्म कार्यम हिरण्यगर्भ। आदिपदम मरीच्यादि संग्राहकम। आदिपदम हिरण्यगर्भ आदि द्वारा मरीचि आदि ऋषयः। और sometimes it is said they are प्रजापति like दक्ष प्रजापति, कश्यप प्रजापति etc. हिरण्यगर्भादि द्वारा परेशस्य कर्तृत्वे श्रुतिं प्रमाणयति। हिरण्यगर्भादि द्वारा परमात्मा will create the rest of the सृष्टि। How? In that छांदोग्य श्रुति प्रमाणम हंताहम इमास्तिस्रो देवताः अनेन जीवेन आत्मनानुप्रविश्य नाम रूपे व्याकरवाणी इति श्रुतेः। इमाः तिस्रो देवताः these three अनेन जीवेन आत्मना अनुप्रविश्य नाम रूपे व्याकरवाणी। जीव रूपेण परमात्मा said I will enter and then expand the Namarupa. विविध कार्य इति श्रुतेः टीका देवताः देवताः तेजो बन्न रूपाः तेज अप अन्नम फायर वाटर अर्थ ननु हिरण्यगर्भस्य परेश मूर्तित्रयान्तर्गतत्वेन कथं जीवत्वम् इति आशंक्याः. So now question is, what is the question here? What is the question?
Hiranyagarbha between the three God and why he is a jiva.
That is the question. If Hiranyagarbha is included in Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesha, Paresha Murti Traya, then is he a jiva or not? Katham jivatvam iti ashankyaha. Hiranyagarbha is a jiva. Hiranyagarbho nama murti trayad anyaha prathamo jivaha. So here in the Moolam, Hiranyagarbha is taken as different from Brahma. Brahma of Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesha. That Murti Traya actually means Utpatti Sthiti Laya Karna. So obviously Hiranyagarbha is not Jagat Utpatti Sthiti Laya Karana. So Hiranyagarbha is a Jiva. He is a Prathamo Jiva. Atra Pramana Aha. Savai Adikasanam Brahma. Savai Shariri Prathama. He is the Prathama Shariri. He is called Purushaha. Savai Purusha Uchyate. Adikata Sabhutanam. Bhutanam Adikata. Brahma Agre Samavartata. In the beginning of the Srishti, Agre Samavartata. Means Utpannaha. Tika. And the Shruti is also given here. Hiranyagarbha Samavartatagre Bhutasya Jata Patireka Asid Sadadhara Prithvim Dyamute Mam Tasmai Devaya Havisha Videma. That is the complete Shruti. Yajurveda, Rigveda, Sankhya is given. Tika. शरीरी इति श्रुत्या तस्य जीवत्व अवधारणात् मूर्तित्रय अन्यत्वे श्रुति ही प्रमाणम इति भावः. इज ए शरीरी इति श्रुत्या बाय द श्रुति तस्य जीवत्व अवधारणात् तस्य हिरण्यगर्भ इज ए जीवत्व अवधारणात् मूर्तित्रय अन्यत्व is different from the Utpatti Sthiti Laya Karanam. Trayanyatve Shrutihi Pramanam. Shruti is the Pramanam. Brahma Devanam Prathama, not Prathamam. Brahma Devanam Prathama Sambhavuva. Correct? I think it is Prathama.
Yes,
संबभूव इत्याद्या श्रुति ही आदिपदाद आदेया. By the आदिपद इत्यादि श्रुते है. आदि मीन्स दिस. सृष्टि प्रतिपादनोपसंहार पूर्वकम प्रलय निरूपणम प्रतिजानीते. सृष्टि प्रतिपादन उपसंहार पूर्वकम प्रलय निरूपणम प्रतिज्ञा इस जान प्रतिजानीते. एवं भूत भौतिक सृष्टि निरूपिता. पंचभूत सृष्टि पंचभौतिक सृष्टि निरूपणम इज डन. वेर इज 1 नंबर टिप्पणी. हाँ, साक्षात ब्रह्म कार्यत्वे प्रमाणम. 1 नंबर. ओके. श्रुति ही लिंग शरीरस्य हिरण्यगर्भस्य च साक्षात ब्रह्म कार्यत्वे प्रमाणम. Shruti is pramana in Linga Sharira and Hiranyagarbha. Both are Brahma Karyam Sakshat. In that Shruti is pramana. Idanim Mulam. Idanim Pralayo Nirupyate. Pralayo Nama Trailokya Nashaha. What is Pralaya? Destruction of three lokas. Now earlier he said there are 14 worlds on the previous page. Bhumi, Antariksha, Swar, Mahar, Jana, Tapaha, Satyam, and then Atala, Vitala, Sutala, Rasatala, etc. So now see in the Tika. Bhuloke Adholokanam Antarbhava. In Bhuloka, all the lokas below Bhu, they are included in Bhu. So by Bhuloka, how many are referred?
8.
8. Then Bhuaha is 1. Then Swarloke Tad Uparishtana. How many are there in Swar?
5.
So you have 8 plus 1 plus 5, 14. Uparishtana. Iti Triloki Pakshe Sapralayaha. Nityadi Bhedena Trividaha. Chaturdasha Loki Pakshe Sa Naimittika Iti Eva. So then, if you just say three worlds, three loka, Bhubhuva Swaha, then 3 pralayas, Nityadi Bhedena. If you take 14 worlds, then 4 pralayas. Chaturdasha Loki Pakshe. Chaturdasha Loki kaha?
Pralayah.
Pralaya. Sa Naimittika iti eva. In the Tippani it is said, Etat chinna madhyagatasya pathasya mulena sangatir na drishyate. He says this part hai, there is no sangati. But sangati you can just say this way, that Prailokya Nasha is given. Yatha kathanchit asya ayam artha. Somehow the earth will be Triloki Pakshi Naimittika Prakritayoho Ekikaranena Pralayaha Trividaha. In Triloka Paksha, Nitya, then Naimittika Prakritika will become 1 and Atyantika. Chaturdasha Bhuvanani iti Pakshe Triloki Vyatiriktanam Karya Brahma Divasa Avasana Nimitto Layo Bhavati iti naimittikasya atiriktatvam iti. Chaturdasha bhuvanani iti pakshe triloki vyatiriktanam karya brahma divasa avasana nimitta. Karya brahma divasa अवसान निमित्तो लयो भवति इति नैमित्तिकस्य अतिरिक्तत्वम्. So you have nitya, naimittika in this way. See in the moolam. Sacha chaturvidah. Pralaya is of 4 types. Nityah prakrito naimittika atyantikascha iti. Nitya, prakrita, naimittika, atyantika. Tatra adyam lakshayati. Among them, what is the first one? Tatra nityah pralayah sushuptihi. Nitya pralaya is what? Sushupti. Tasyaha sakala karya pralaya rupatvat. Sushupti is sakala karya pralaya. And what happens to all our punya, papa, etc.? Dharma, dharma, purva sanskaranancha tada karanatmana avasthanam. Dharma, dharma, etc. will have karanatmana avasthanam. Tika. Nityah pralayah pratidinam pravilaya. Nitya pralaya is daily laya, twice. One pralaya is short time, another is longer. It's called pralaya. Sushupti kale sakale viline. What are those 2 mantras? Anybody remembers?
Sapne swapne sajiva.
Before that. Sa eva maya.
परिमोहितात्मा शरीरमास्थाय करोति सर्वं स्त्रियन्नपानादिविचित्रभोगैः स एव जाग्रत् परितृप्तिमेति स्वप्ने स जीवः सुखदुःखभोक्ता स्वमायया कल्पितजीवलोके सुषुप्तिकाले सकले विलीने तमोभिभूतः सुखरूपमेति.
Everybody remembers these 2 mantras? Sa eva maya parimohitatma shariramastaya karoti sarvam स्त्रियन्नपानादि विचित्र भोगैः स एव जाग्रत् परितृप्तिमेति स्वप्ने सजीव सुख दुःख भोक्ता स्वमायया कल्पित जीवलोके सुषुप्ति काले सकले विलीने. So that much part is given here in the Uddharanam. सुषुप्ति काले सकले विलीने इति कैवल्य श्रुतिम अनुसृत्य आह. तस्या इति तस्याः सकल कार्य प्रलय रूपत्वात्. ननु एवं तर्हि सुखादि हेतोः धर्मादेः स्मृति हेतोः संस्कारस्य च तदानीं प्रविलयात् उत्थितस्य कथं सुखादि भेद भोगः पूर्व पदार्थ स्मरणं च इति आशंका. So if that is the case, तर्हि सुखादि हेतोः धर्मादेः. सुखादि सुख दुःखादि हेतु is धर्म धर्म. And smriti hetu is samskara. Smriti hetu ho samskarasya cha. Tadanim pravilayat. Tadanim sushupti kale pralaya takes place. Katham sukhadi bheda bhogaha. When a person wakes up, how there is sukhadi bheda bhogaha. Purva padartha smaranam cha. And also how a person remembers everything if there is pralaya. You see, everything is in karana avastha. धर्मा धर्मादीनां पूर्व संस्काराणां कारणावस्था कारणात्मना अवस्थान. Karanatma means avidyatmana swakarya karanatmana va. Either you say everything goes to avidya or its own karana, immediate karana. So if everything is in avidya, then everything comes back when we wake up from its karanavastha, whatever that avidya, wherever it is stored. Tena suptothitasya na sukha dukkhadi anubhava anupapatti. And therefore the one who wakes up from sushupti, sukha dukkhadi anubhava anupapatti will not be there. Upapatti will be there. Nava smarana anupapatti, and also not that smarana he will not have. Smarana also he will have. Nacha sushuptau antakarnasya vinashe tadadhina pranadi kriya anupapatti. Tika, see first. Nanu antakarnasyapi tadanim karanatmana avasthanat कथं तदधीन प्राणादि क्रिया इति आशंक्य. अंतःकरणस्यापि तदानीं कारणात्मना अवस्थानात्. अंतःकरण also is there in कारण अवस्था, कारणात्मना अवस्थानात्. कथं तदधीन प्राणादि क्रिया. So antakarana adhina is pranadi kriya. In sushupti, if antakarana goes to karana avastha, then how there is pranana kriya going on? Katham tad adhina, adhina samasa is done. Prananadi kriya iti ashankya. Deha hetu dharmader vinashayapi. Deha sthitivat. क्रियोपलब्धि ही अपि न अनुपपन्ना. देह हेतु is also कार्य of dharma. So dharma, if they have gone into karana avastha, deha doesn't disappear. Deha hetu dharmader vinashe api. Deha sthiti is there. Tadvad kriya upalabdhi hi api na anupapanna. Kriya also can go on, pranana kriya. What is the practical way of understanding this? Everything doesn't have to go back in Karana Avastha as it disappears. What should go in Karana will go. What appears to be there will continue to appear. It is not functional, that's all. Tena in Moolam, tena suptothitasya na sukha dukkhadi anubhava anupapatti. Nava smarana anupapatti. Nacha sushuptau antakarnasya vinashe tad adhina pranadi kriya anupapatti. In sushupti, antakarna vinasha will take place, so tad adhina pranadi kriya should not happen. That is not true. Vastutaha nanu tika. Karana bhave dvayamapi viruddham. Somebody says if karana is not there, they also should not be there, pranana kriya also should not be there. So now he gives a real answer. Vastutaha श्वासादि अभावे अपि तद उपलब्धेः पुरुषांतर विभ्रम मात्रत्वात् सुप्त शरीर उपलम्भवत्. Swasadi abhave api. So when Shwasa Adi, in the absence of also, Tad Upalabdhi means Shwasa Upalabdhi is nothing but Purushantara Vibhrama Matra. So if a person is not breathing, other person may still think, oh, he is still breathing. Pranana is there. Like that, this is the answer given. What is he saying? Really, Sthula Sharira is not there. He said, but I see it is your Bhranti. It is Purushantara Vibhrama Matra. But this is not a clear answer. So Tippanikar gives now, you see, Vasuta iti. Idam Drishti Srishti Vada Abhiprayana. This answer is based on Drishti Srishti Vada. Sushupti Kale Mamedam Shariram iti Shariradi Sambandha Adhyasa Abhavena Sushupta Drishtya Shariradi Abhavena Supta Sharire Anyasya Upalambho Brahmarupaha Tathaiva Sushuptasya Vastutah Shwasadi Kriyaya Abhave api Shwasadi Upalabdehe Purushantara Brahmarupatvaditi Sushupti Kale Mamedam Shariram iti Shariradi Sambandha Adhyasa Abhavena. Adhyasa is not there between Ahankara and the Sharira. So Mamaidam Shariram, this Adhyasa is not there. Shariradi Sambandha Adhyasa Abhavena Sushupta Drishtya Shariradi Abhavena. From the person who is asleep, from that person's standpoint, Sharira Abhave, Shariradi Abhavena. Supta Sharire Anyasya Upalambo Brahmarupaha. So in Supta Sharira, if somebody else is seeing, it is Bhranti. In Drishti Srishti Vada, this is the answer. Tathaiva, like Rajju Sarpa, which is not there but I am seeing, it is your illusion. Tathaiva Sushuptasya Vastutah Shwasadi Kriyayaha Abhave api Shwasadi Upalabdehe Purushantara Brahmarupatvad. In the same way, Sushupta person, Vastutah Shwasadi Kriya is not there. But its Upalabdhi is there, it is Purushantara Brahma. This is one explanation. Or in simple understanding, if you want, at the time of Sushupti, Sukshma Sharira has gone to Karana Avastha, means it has become inactive. But because of the Prarabdha, Sthula Sharira and Pranana Kriya will continue. Because Prarabdha is not over. So this Laya, the Nitya Pralaya, is not where everything is unavailable. It is like a temporary suspension only. You imagine somebody is listening to some discourses, or somebody is watching some movie, TV, something, and they are feeling sleepy also. So in between they doze off. So it is not that everything has gone in Karanavastha, then comes back, then Karanavastha. It is just temporarily not operational, that's all. Suptasya mrutad avishesham ashankya pariharati. Supta Purusha, mrita is different from mrita person. Somebody may think that he is same as mrita person, avishesha. Really speaking, Supta is not mrita, but somebody may think, have ashanka, pariharati, nacha एवं सुप्तस्य परेतात् अविशेषः। परई तू मात्रा जाती है।
In Tika is given Paretasya, Swamiji.
परेत, हाँ। संपाठांतर आर देयर। न च एवं सुप्तस्य और सुषुप्तस्य, बट परेताद अविशेष। परेतस्य, पर इत, परेत मीन्स मृत। परेताद अविशेषः न। somebody may think they are same, they are not. टीका जागृत अवस्थायां परेतस्य लिंग शरीरम जन्मांतरीय तत्तत् पदार्थ संस्कारजन्य तत्तत् पदार्थ पदार्थाकार आत्मना लोकांतरे स्थितम्। सुप्तस्य तु तादृश संस्कारात्मना अत्रैव इत्यर्थः। जागृत अवस्थायां परेतस्य लिंग शरीरम, इन जागृत अवस्था परेतस्य लिंग शरीरम जन्मांतरीय तत्तत् पदार्थ संस्कार जन्य तत्तत् पदार्थाकार आत्मना लोकांतरे स्थितम्। So in the waking state, paretasya linga shariram, the one who dies, janmantariya tattat padartha samskara janya tattat padartha akaratmana lokantare sthitam. It goes to another loka which has the janmantariya tattat padartha samskara. Tajanya, the tattat padartha akaratmana, whatever is the sharira he takes in the other loka, there lokantare sthitam. But suptasya linga shariram tu tadrisha sanskaratmana atraiva. Means the linga sharira of the mrita person goes somewhere else. Supta person, linga sharira in karana avastha is right there. Atraiva. This is the Veda. मूलम सुप्तस्य ही लिंग शरीरम संस्कारात्मना अत्रैव वर्तते परेतस्य तु लोकांतरे इति वैलक्षण्य। सुप्तस्य लिंग शरीर is right there. Mrita persons is somewhere else. In that tika, there is one word, jagrad avasthayam. Jagrad avasthayam, it has no meaning there. Because whether you die in Jagrata Avastha or whether you die in Sushupti Avastha, you are Pareta, that's all. Nanu Purushantarasya Deha Prana, everybody understood what I said, right?
Yes, Swamiji.
Jagrata Avastha, whether you die or
Yes,
Sushupti Avastha you die, once it is death, it is different.
Swami.
ननु पुरुषांतरस्य देहः प्राण क्रिया च भ्रमात् प्रतीयते न कर्मेन्द्रिय व्यापारादिकम् इति वैषम्ये। पुरुषांतरस्य देह प्राण क्रिया च भ्रमात् प्रतीयते. देह क्रिया प्राण क्रिया in another Purusha is appearing to in Chaitra, appearing to Maitra is Brahmat. Na karmendriya vyaparadikam iti Vaishamya. But karmendriya vyaparadikam, you cannot say it is Brahmat. Iti Vaishamya niyamaka abhavam alakshya aha. So there is no niyamaka in this because Deha, you say it is Bhranti of the other person. Prana Kriya, you say it is Bhranti of the other person. Karmendriya Vyapara, you say no, it is not Bhranti. Because that you can see. So there is Vaishamya. Karmendriya Vyapara means if he is sleeping and moves his hands, legs, etc. Somebody can say that is also Bhranti. But here Mulakar gives some other explanation. Yadva. अंतःकरणस्य द्वे शक्ति ज्ञान शक्ति ही क्रिया शक्तिश्च इति. अंतःकरण has two शक्तिस्. तत्र ज्ञान शक्ति विशिष्ट अंतःकरणस्य सुषुप्तौ विनाशः न क्रिया शक्ति विशिष्टस्य इति प्राणादि अवस्थानम् अविरुद्धम्. This is more digestible. In Sushupti, Jnana Shakti is not available. Kriya Shakti is there, so his hand movement, legs movement. Sometimes people say some things also, you know. And Pranana Kriya is going on. That Vinasha is not there. Na Kriya Shakti Vishishtasya Vinasha iti Pranadi Avasthanam Aviruddham. So Pranadi Avasthanam is possible. Pranadi, Adi Padam, Apanadi Sangraham, Prana, Apana, Vyana, everything, digestion, etc. continues. Dehavasthanam tu Mrita Sharira Avasthanavad Aviruddham. And Deha Sthiti is there, just like Mrita Sharira. It is seen, it doesn't look very active. Aviruddham iti bhava. In that pramanam, atra pramanamaha yada suptaha swapnam na kanchana pashyati atha asmin prana eva ekada bhavati athainam vak sarvair namabhihi sahayeti सता सौम्य तदा संपन्नो भवति स्वमपीतो भवति इत्यादि श्रुति ही उक्त सुषुप्तौ मानम. So yada suptah swapnam na kanchana pashyati. Supta Purusha does not see any swapna. Swapnam na pashyati. And pranaha atha asmin sushuptau prana eva ekadha bhavati. All prana become one. Means all indriyas and they all come together. Athayenam vak sarvaihi namabhihi sahaya iti. And the Vag Indriya along with all the names. So all the names merge into Vag Indriya. Or no other names are available. All Nama Rupa, their laya has taken place. And this is a Prasiddha Chandogya Shruti. Sata Somya Tada Sampanno Bhavati. Tada Sushuptau, he becomes one with Sat. Swam apito bhavati, he attains one's own self. Ityadi shruti rukta sushupto manam. All this is shrutis are pramana in sushupti. We'll see Tika is very simple. Atha means idanim. Asmin means supte sati, when he is asleep. Ekadha means ekaha. Enam pranam. Apyati pravishati, he attains. कौशित की श्रुतिम उदाहृत्य छांदोग्य श्रुतिम उदाहरति. छांदोग्य श्रुति सता इति हे सौम्य सौम्य तदा मीन्स सुषुप्तौ सता सद्रूपेण ब्रह्मणा जीवः जीवः सद्रूपेण संपन्नः becomes one with sat. अभेदम गतो भवति. स्वम अपीतः Vilina has become one with his own self. Tirohita upadhir bhavati ityartha. His upadhi is all dissolved at that time. Sati sampadya naviduhu ityadya shrutihi adipadena grahya. Having attained Sat, they do not know Sati sampadya mahe. We have attained Sat in this way, so distinction is not known. In this way, Nitya Pralaya explanation is being given. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.